How to add text in CapCut for desktop or PC, Windows, completely for free. To get started, drag on your video layers or video layer that you already have. Step number 2 is to click the text tab. There are a list of text that you can click. A lot of them are free, and if you click on it, you click the plus icon and it adds it onto the track. In this case, I'm going to add a couple more texts. So in order to type the text, click on the screen and start typing. You can move the text layer anywhere onto the timeline or onto your video tracks. If you click B, you can cut the text, A to deselect, and you can move the text layer. One tip and trick, if you want to add text before the video, click Ctrl A and move the video and the text or your mouse cursor up and to the right, so it adds the video onto the video track number 2. Now, if you take your text and you drag it in the front of the timeline, you now officially have text at the beginning of the video, and you have text. You can mess around with different text options or settings on here. A lot of them are free, but there are some that say pro. Thanks for watching. Drop this video a like, comment down below, share the video, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more.